Uttar Pradesh's Bahraich district is grappling with a surge in wolf attacks. Over the past 2 months, these attacks have killed at least 10 people, including children, whereas over 30 people have been injured. Recently, a 5-year-old girl was injured by a wolf, following which she was sent to the community health center for treatment. Now, in response, the Uttar Pradesh government has launched Operation Bhediya to hunt down the wolves responsible for these attacks. Notably, these wolf attacks increased from July 17 during the rainy season. The Forest Department has managed to capture 4 out of 6 wolves involved in the attacks. The remaining 2 are still on the loose. Officials have thus introduced new methods, in fact innovative methods, to track and capture these predators. So let's have a closer look at this plan. I am Shivangi and you are watching India TV. Use of false bait. Forest officials are using colorful teddy dolls soaked in children's urine as bait. These dolls are placed near river banks and the wolves' dens to mimic the scent of humans. As per officials, these dolls are dressed in bright clothes and they help create a false sense of human presence. These dolls can help attract wolves to the traps. Then, to keep wolves away from populated areas, officials are burning elephant dung. The scent of burning dung is meant to repel wolves by simulating the presence of elephants, which wolves naturally avoid. Firecrackers and loud noises are also being used to drive wolves away from residential areas and towards traps. Further, a specialized task force, including 200 members from forest, police, and fire departments, is working to capture the wolves. They are patrolling areas near villages and using thermal drones and CCTV cameras to monitor the wolves' movements. Now, as per a WWF executive, these wolf attacks have been a recurring issue in Bahraich, Balrampur, Shravasti and Lakhimpur Kheri. And that is mainly because these areas, which are part of the Terai region, are near river basins which are natural habitats for wolves. Therefore, such incidents are expected from time to time. This means that in order to prevent future attacks, there is a need for better training of forest employees and awareness programs in areas near the Ghagra river basin. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.